Hello team, so this is your hospital management system which I'm going to show you. So this is your dashboard. Here you can check how much appointment, patients, doctor and representative we have. Then we have a progress. So here we can check progress, patient and appointment. Then we have inquiry which you can check. Then we have department. So here you can create multiple department according to your requirement. Okay, here you can create, here you can check department list. Then we have a doctor. So here you can check the doctor list. If you click on a plus option, that like you can check your user role, create date, status, blood group and all. You can view, you can edit or you can delete. Let me show you view option. So here you can check doctor data. Let me show you, just allow me a seconds. So here you can check your complete doctor information. So if you want to print, here you can check doctor list. If you want to create any doctor, you can create doctors. So you just need to select designation, department, address and some data. A doctor will be added. So you can share that login credential with doctor, so doctor can easily log in or they can manage. Then we have a patients. So here you can check patients. You can check patient data, patient unique ID, picture and all. You can edit, delete, you can create, or here you can add patient's case, with what is the issues they are facing. So here you can select the case manager, refer doctor name, hospital name and address. Okay, then we have a document. So here we can manage documents. Then we have schedule. So here we can schedule appointment, or here you can create multiple appointment date and you can manage that. Then we have appointments. So here you can check appointment list. Sorry, this is a schedule means in which doctor working on which time, so we can schedule doctor timing. Then we have an appointment. So here we can check appointment ID, patient ID, department, doctor name, serial name, what is the problem they are facing, appointment date, and you can edit it. Or you can create multiple patient appointment ID. Here, here you can add appointment. Here you can set up your patient ID, department name, and all. You can create multiple appointment assigned by all. So here you can assign, like assigned by doctor. Here you can check assigned by representative, assigned to doctor. So if uh, like if any doctor appoint uh, assign any patient to appointment to you, that data will come here. And if you want to assign to any other doctor, then that data will come here. Then we have a prescription. So here you can check insurance list. Here you can create multiple insurance. Then we have a patient case studies which you can manage, or here you can check all types of prescription data. Then we have account manager. This is for your account person, can add account, they can manage invoice, payment, report, debit report or credit report. Then we have a HR. So here you can create like employee. So here you can select role. So in which role we are creating, first name, last name, email, password and all. So we need to have some data, then we can do. So this is the list. So like we need to check employee list. So here you can check. Okay, then we have accountant list. We can check nurse list, pharmacy list. So we can check. So we can create multiple employee in a nurse, multiple employee in accountant, multiple employee in pharmacist and like that. Then we have a bed. So here we can set a multiple bed, or you can create multiple bed as well. Then if you want to assign bed, so you can assign. Then we have notice board, case manager we have. So here you can check the patient data. You can add, edit, delete, or you can add multiple patients. Okay. Then we have a hospital activity. So here you can add birth report. Let me show you. So here we will select patient ID, date, title, description, doctor name, and we can add birth report. Then we have a death report, operation report. So here we can add these types of report. After that we have a medicine category and medicine. So here you can set up multiple medicine, or here you can check medicine list, medicine category. Then we have inquiry and all. Then we have some like app settings. So here you can change your email, phone number, time zones and all. Then we have language settings. So here you can create multiple language as well. Like if you are working in different language, then you can set up your own multiple languages. Then we have a SMS. So we are using Nexmo and Telio, sorry, Nexmo and ClickTail in SMS. So here you can manage that. Then we have SMS template. We have, you can send SMS like auto SMS report and all, you can manage that. Then we have a messages. Then we have a mail. So we are using a send mail and mail for this. You just need to add that, or it will mail will be work for you. If you want to send mail, then just click on the send mail, or here you can send your email to anybody. Then we have a website settings. So if you want to change anything in front end, then you can change like slider, section, and all comment you can change, or you can update according to you. So I already show you the complete demo to use. So if you have any doubts, query, then you can contact with us. Thank you.